Ukraine, Japan, Hong Kong, Poland, Denmark, Sweden, Netherlands and Hungary, and they are out of the gates. What's happening on the course right now? Looks like the team from Poland, Jakub Stepun and Bartosz Grabowski, are taking a strong lead. Just on their right side there is another team from Denmark. They are also competing. Unfortunately for the crew from line 7 and from line 3, they are not going to pass to semifinals, so we are going to have to say goodbye to Hong Kong and Netherlands. But for now, Hungary in the lead, then Poland. We are almost a minute into the race, so there is only about 150 meters left. And how do we look? Still, all athletes who are before the 6th place are qualifying. The 6th place can be qualified as well, but they will have to wait for the results. Now the 8th line, Hungary finishing first. And who's going to be 6th? I believe it was lane 2, Japan. Let's just wait for judges to confirm. Results should be in just in a second. This heat, of course, will conclude the K2 men 500 meters category. Next we will have C2 men to 500 meters. But firstly, the results. They should be visible on the screen in just a minute.